Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. We prepare healthy chapati recipe using sweet potatoes. Wash your potatoes, boil them, peel them, mash them, and keep aside. So into our ingredients, we have mashed sweet potatoes, the flour, grated carrots, oats, and our oats are pre-soaked with KEFIR. KEFIR is a healthy probiotic drink, good for the family and good for lactose intolerance people. At Medy Wellness, we manufacture both the KEFIR grains and KEFIR milk. You can make your order following the description below. Then to our segment, we start in by putting the potatoes and the carrots and the pre-soaked oats and mix it up. Add your salt and begin to put in your flour bit by bit. Now remember, in this meal, the sweet potatoes are rich in minerals, potassium and manganese and just many minerals. And we also have our oats that are good antioxidants, yes, and we have the KEFIR. So it's very rich, and don't forget our carrots, they are good for vitamin A. Well, back to our recipe. Work with your hands and just see if it's too soggy, you add flour. If it's too dry, you add in the milk until you get the right consistency, because we need to roll it over. In as much as many people don't like eating sweet potatoes, we have to make as many recipes including in the sweet potatoes so that the family and all of us can have the benefits of sweet potatoes in our life daily. A small dose of sweet potatoes every day is a healthy way to go. Now when you think the flour is done, you can now add in oil. It just makes it well, and remember, oil gives us energy too, and it makes the dough good enough. So if it's not sticking on your hands, know it's ready. See the way it looks. And I want it to rest. Let it rest for about an hour. Meanwhile, as you prepare your cooking facilities. After 1 hour, we uncover. It's very soft. Pinch out some amount and start to roll out. Make a thin layer. Then again add in oil. Just spread out a thin layer of oil and fold in. Now depending on how you desire, some people love small chapati, some love medium and some love big. So you cut into sizes and place there. It's always good to work in all the flour. So do the same way and prepare. Remember, you have your pan ready. You can put on the fire. I love cooking with moderate heat so that it cooks slowly and nicely. Now there we can begin our work. Spread out nicely. You can always add some oil or flour so that it doesn't stick on the rolling pin. There, when it's ready now, you can add some oil on the pan that is heated and then place on the chapati. You can see the oil is hot underneath, and as it starts to brown at the edges, you flip it over. It's cooked so nicely, yes. Our nutritious chapati that has sweet potatoes, carrots, oats, KEFIR, flour and milk. It's delicious. Every child who doesn't love eating sweet potatoes will definitely eat the sweet potatoes in the chapati. Now I hope this will be your best recipe in the days forward. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.